Hello, I am from the Philippines and I ordered this rotary printer from the Rainbow team. The printer is very good, it's very good output, and the support of the Rainbow team is very good. Okay, my advice to you if you buy this printer is you follow the instruction carefully, because me, I broke the head immediately after 1 day of using because the UV light shine on the head. So you follow the instruction of the Rainbow team carefully. And when I break the head, they give me big discount because they are very good people. And just wait one moment, I will show you the output of the print. Okay, just wait 20 seconds. Okay. This very good printer. I love this printer. Okay? Okay, one moment. It print very fast. Only 2 minutes, one button. Very good. Tagal naman nila.
Sa ano pala nagtagal sa pagbalik?
Okay, now I show you the output. Tara mo ako ng cellphone. See? Very good output. With spot varnish, the letters you can see very clearly. Very good. Thank you, Rainbow team. I love you.